you don't know how to use one of these, I'm going to show you how to use them very quickly in a few minutes. Okay, here I'm going to tell you a few things that are very important, so that way you know if you have to rent one, buy one, so that way you can choose the one that fit your needs. So basically here the wire that you see here, you have three type of thickness, is 3/8, 3/4, and 5/8. So depending on the size of the pipe that you have to clean up, that is what you're going to choose. So make sure that you get the right one. I saw on internet that some people they sell these, but without the wire, without the stainless steel wire inside. It's just the spring by itself. So it's better always if you have the stainless steel wire inside. So other than that, if you use let's say if you use the smallest size or diameter in a big pipe, it might crawl, and it may break. So these wires that you see here, they're very expensive. If they break, you will have to replace it, and they are like $80-$100 easily. So better try not to rush, and make sure that if it's getting stuck somewhere, make sure don't do any stupid, or otherwise it will cost you, a lot just to take this out, buy a new one in, and if you don't have it handy and you're stuck in the middle of the shop, that will be a big problem. So, like I said, depending on the diameter of the pipeline that you're going to clean is the diameter that you're going to use here. Other than that, you have another type of auger. As you can see here, you have one that comes with this system, so that way you can, it's like a gear shift in a car, so that way you can go forward, backwards, or in reverse. And you have another one that it doesn't have any of that, so it's just, you have to push it with shave it, push it with the hand, or pull it by hand as well. So I prefer with this. If you have to rent, it doesn't cost that much, or if you have to buy, usually it's not that much. Also, if you buy something, make sure that it's a known brand. At least I rented this, so if you buy something, because if something breaks down or something, it's better that you will be able to get all the parts easier. And then you have the gas pedal here, so the accelerator. So you push here, and it will start spinning, as you can see. And you can turn it from one side to another. You see, now it's going out. And if I move it towards the other way, it should go back up. Once you finish using it, you grab this and you put it like here. That's it. And then you can put this over here. So another thing that you're going to have, you have another options is you can run it electric, or Milwaukee, they have a one that runs battery. I prefer the one that comes with battery, so that is what I'm thinking in getting. And also, you don't have all the mess, here. This one, maybe it might be easier to clean up, maybe, or not. I think the Milwaukee will be better because it's all self-contained, so you don't have any mess anywhere. Also, you don't have to deal with the cable or anything like that, just the battery, and that's it. And it's a well-known brand, so if something breaks down, surely you can get the parts very easily. Also, here on the back, you have the switch on and off a motor. There are some of them that they have a reverse as well here, but in this case, it doesn't have that option. It's just on and off, and that's it. So basically, with this, like I said, goes back and forth. Make sure that you grab the this type of gloves, as you can see, and because if you use the rubber ones, it may get stuck in the wiring. Also, it may pull your hand, and you will not be able to use it. So you need something that will slide in and out very easily. So basically, that is what you have to know when you would rent one of these. And also something here, you have the brake, the handbrake for this, just in case if you need you needed to be in the same place. Now I'm going to take it back to Home Depot. I have this, so that way, because my bin is full of tools already, so I'm going to put it here, and that's it. So if you have any question, please let me know in the section below, and talk to you next time. Bonus materials. I forgot to tell you something else. You have different length of this, so if you buy something like 50 feet, okay, it will be easier for you to move around. If you buy 100 or longer or something like that, it's going to be heavier and bulky. So if you buy, for instance, I was going to rent another one, but it was like almost an inch. It was 5/8, and it was very heavy. So I took this. So if you're going to use 1 inch, because the pipe that you're going to run it is very wide, make sure that you bring a guy with you. Otherwise, you are going to break your back.